Waterfall model is a traditional approach in software development. It's a linear and sequential approach where each phase is completed before moving on to the next phase. That means all requirements should be collected and well documented before moving on to the design. Once you are in design phase, you don't want to go back into the requirements analysis phase again. Likewise, you need to design all the components of the system before you move on to the development stage. After development is completed, testing starts. Once the testing and bug fixes are complete, the product is released to the users and then maintenance phase starts. That is, each phase has to be completed before moving on to the next phase. Now let's explore some drawbacks of waterfall model. There is less flexibility in this approach. Since it is sequential, each phase is dependent on the previous one. So it's difficult to incorporate requirements changes in between. Another issue is that the customer feedback typically happens late in the process, often not until testing phase. So this can lead to misunderstandings or even missed requirements because there is less opportunity for correction based on customer input. Long delivery time is another problem. Because the entire project is planned and executed sequentially, waterfall can result in longer delivery time compared to iterative methodologies like agile. Since testing doesn't occur until the end of the development cycle, any defects that arise may be difficult and costly to fix. This increases the risk of project failure, especially if significant problems are discovered late in the process. Waterfall model can be challenging to manage large complex projects. Breaking down such projects into distinct phases and accurately predicting requirements and timelines for each phase can be difficult. Due to these challenges, the industry has adopted more flexible models like Agile.